In today's video of 1 to Step, I'm going to show you how to delete email on Hotmail. If you use the email service provider of Hotmail, or now known as Outlook, now if you want to delete these emails, let me show you how you can easily do it. Either you can use the website of Outlook, but for this video we're going to use the app. To delete these messages, you can just tap and hold the email that you want to delete, and this email will be selected. If you want to delete multiple emails at once, you can select like this and these check marks will appear, and when you selected these emails you can tap on the trash can icon on the top, and this way these emails will be removed from the inbox section. But however, they are not completely removed from Outlook. You'll again need to delete it from a different section. Tap on the Outlook logo on the top left. From here you'll have this menu where you'll find an option of deleted. All these files that you deleted from the inbox section land up here. So to remove it and delete them completely, you can again repeat the same process and tap on the trash can icon on the top, and this way these emails will be permanently deleted. So that's the easy process on how to delete email on Hotmail. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.